everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tori no Negi Sauce. Tori no Negi Sauce or chicken with Leek Sauce is very punchy dish and it goes really well with plain rice. So make sure you prepare some plain rice too. At the end of the video, I'm going to talk about how I built a menu with this dish, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, some salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons sake, about 1 cup potato starch or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons vinegar, this is rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, and Japanese leek. Japanese leek is less stringy compared to Western leek. I think Western leek will do to make this dish, but if possible, please find the Japanese leek. Let's cut the chicken first. Remove the skin and trim off all the fat. Cut it into half. Slant the knife like this and shave to cut. So it's a little bigger than bite size. Let's put them in the bowl. I have all the chicken in the bowl. When you cut the chicken, try to standardize the sides. Some salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons sake, rub it well, and let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the leek sauce, and I'm using all of them, green part and white part. This top end is dried out, so let's cut it off just a little bit. Make some slit. Like this, so it's like a bloom. Then slice thinly. Again, make some slit here. Like a bloom, and then slice. Let's put the leek in this large bowl. In here, I'm adding 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and give it a quick mix. The leek sauce is ready. Back to the chicken. By now, chicken should have soaked up all the sake, so there shouldn't be any liquid in the bowl. But if you see any liquid, just drain. Let's put the potato starch and mix. So you're dusting the chicken with the potato starch or cornstarch. Like this. Let's pan fry the chicken. Put about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Heat it up over medium-high heat. The oil is hot enough, so let's put the chicken. About 2 minutes on each side to cook through. That's good, so let's flip them over to cook the other side. The other side is nicely browned too, so let's take them out and drain. The chicken is all cooked and it's still hot. While it's hot, let's put them into the leek sauce so the heat will the leek. the chicken with the leek sauce. Let's serve it on the plate. Don't forget to put some sauce. And Tori no Negi Sauce or chicken with leek sauce is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Chicken breast can be a little bit too plain and boring sometimes, but with the leek sauce, it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese meal looks like. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Chicken with leek sauce is the main dish, so let's put it here. Plain rice here and vegetable miso soup here. I usually have some sort of pickles for one of the side dish, so let's put it here. I'm sorry, I don't have video for this one yet. The main dish is very punchy, so I want to have something refreshing for the other side dish. So let's have sunomono salad, which is seasoned with vinegar to refresh your palate. I hope you enjoy the meal. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!